Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share IBA screening test paper intermediate category called paper 9 held on 25th June 2023 in the morning shift. Question number 76. Animals that only eat plants are known as A. Herbivores, B. Carnivores, C. Omnivores, D. Insectivores, and the correct answer is A. Herbivores. Question number 77. Marasmus disease is caused due to the severe deficiency of A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Minerals, D. Fats, and the correct answer is C. Minerals. Question number 78. Which animal's deficiency can cause painful joints, memory loss, and diabetes? And the correct options are A. Sodium, B. Potassium, C. Magnesium, D. Iodine, and the correct answer is C. Magnesium. Question number 79. Chlorophyll is present in A. Virus, B. Algae, C. Fungus, D. Animals, and the correct answer is C. Fungus. Question number 80. Which method can be used to get drinking water from seawater? A. Distillation, B. Sublimation, C. Filtration, D. Crystallization, and the correct answer is A. Distillation. Question number 81. During the daytime, for the process of photosynthesis, plants require A. CO2, B. O2, C. N2, D. He, and the correct answer is CO2, A. Carbon dioxide. Question number 82. Which of the following factors does not affect the pressure of gas in a container? A. Temperature, B. Volume, C. Density of gas, D. Container material, and the correct answer is D. Container material. Question number 83. The unit of electric current is A. Coulomb, B. Ampere, C. Candela, D, and the correct answer is B. Ampere. Question 4. Which one of the following planets is known as the red planet? A. Mercury, B. Mars, C. Earth, D. Venus, and the correct answer is B. Mars. Question number 85. All planets of the solar systems have moon except Saturn and Mars, B. Venus and Mercury, C. Saturn and Jupiter, D. Uranus and Neptune, and the correct answer is B. Venus and Mercury. Subscribe to Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and also follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you.